Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study logical conditions. The logical condition which we are going to cover in this tutorial are the AND operator, the OR operator, and the NOT operator. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload any video. So let's start with the first logical operator, which is the AND operator. For example, select first name, last name, salary, and job ID from employees, where salary is greater than equal to 11,000 and job ID like. So here in this query, instead of one condition, we have two different conditions, and with the use of AND operator, both the conditions have to be true. As you can see here, the salary is greater than 11,000 and the job ID column should be matched to this pattern. As we have studied in our earlier tutorials, percentage symbol can be replaced with multiple characters, and here also the same, percentage symbol can be replaced with 0 or more characters, and in the middle we should have the SA characters. So as you can see here in job ID, we have the SA characters. We have got and retrieved the data where both this condition and this condition are true. So the next logical operator is the OR operator. We are going to try the same query with a little bit of difference. We are going to change operator only. So here in the result of this query, in the logical OR operator, if either of the condition is true, we will get the result. And as you can see here, the job ID title has the word or the character SA in it, and the salary is less than 11,000. So this condition is true here. So if either of the condition is true, we will get the result. The next logical operator is the NOT operator. A NOT operator can be used as in this example. Select first name, last name, salary, job ID from employees, where job ID not in. As we have studied in our earlier tutorials, in is a comparison conditions which gives us the opportunity to give a list of values which are going to be checked. If the values match with this list, we will get the result. And in not in, we are going to specify a list of values from job ID. As you can see here, ST clerk and SA rep and SH clerk. So here in not in, we will get the result other than these values. In operator, we will get the result only with this, but in not in, it is the opposite of that. We will get the result without these values in the list or other than the values in the list. As you can see here, none of these job ID is SH clerk or SA rep or ST clerk. We got the result other than the list we got here in not in operator. And we can do one thing more. We can use both the conditions at the same time. For example, we can use AND OR operator at the same time. For example, we are going to use the same example again. Select first name, last name, salary, and job ID, and then we are going to specify the condition here where salary is greater than equal to 11,000 or job ID like, and then the AND operator and last name like. So here we have both the OR logical operator and the AND logical operator. So we'll check the result first. So whenever we used both the AND and OR operator, first the AND operator should be evaluated and then the OR operator should be evaluated. So if we want the OR part to be evaluated first, we can include that in parentheses. So as you can see here, we include this part in parentheses. So this part should be evaluated first, and this part should be evaluated later. So as you can see here in the result, we got 15 rows. So what are going to be the result of this query? We got only 3 rows, because this part should be evaluated first. Salary should be greater than 11,000, and the job ID title, the job ID should have the character SA, and then this part should be evaluated. So here we reached to the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.